Do you need impressive pictures for your presentation or website? Do you want to make pictures with additional information? You need a tool for that and some experience in picture editing. The tool for your laptop is Adobe Photoshop Elements, and you can download and try it for free on the Adobe website. The software has all basic editing functions and organizing features and is not expensive. It works local, so you can keep your data on your computer. What about experience? You can learn with us. In our e-learning course, you can get experience in picture editing. After introducing the software, we directly go into techniques like lighten up, remove elements and insert text. We will work with layers, mask areas and insert backgrounds. Some theory about pixels and picture size, color and DPI will give you necessary background knowledge. Learn with us and register on our website. For the first 10 students, we offer additional online live tutorials. Like the video, subscribe and have some more. Thank you for watching.